Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're cooking super creamy shrimp pasta. First off, we're going to mince some garlic. I love garlic, that's why I will be using 2 good-sized cloves. Mince them as small as possible. For the sweetness, I like to add some cherry tomatoes to this recipe. For this dish, I am adding tagliatelle, which will cook for around 10 minutes. Now we are preparing the sauce. Add a good amount of olive oil into a frying pan. Add the minced garlic. As you can see, I love garlic. Add as much as you like really. Let it fry a bit and then add the cherry tomatoes. Now we are adding tiger shrimp. Let them get some color and then turn them. Once they look like this, we're adding heavy cream. Add some ground pepper. And finally, some salt to taste. I keep it simple with the seasoning and focus on the delicious taste that the shrimps give to the sauce. Now we are adding the tagliatelle directly into the pan. Let it simmer and let the sauce combine with the pasta. Finally, we're adding some fresh parsley. And there you go, beautiful creamy shrimp pasta. Now we can serve the dish.